The rules are simple. It's like a penalty shootout. You're going to get 5 shots each from precisely where Olivier is. You get 5 shots each. Whoever gets the most shots wins. Simple. No kicking.
No kicking,
Just
behave yourselves.
Okay. Fade away.
But competition or not?
Yeah. You're going up against each other. Quick rock, paper, scissors, shoot. See who goes first.
You go. No, you go.
Oh, okay.
I'm older than you. You go first.
No, you go first.
Okay, you go first. He's going to say it. Olivier, let's do this.
Okay, here we go. It's Olivier Giroud with no shoes on. Is there a reason for that? You're not allowed to kick it. You're going to get me in massive trouble. I'm going to get kicked out. No, if you're injured for Arsenal, they'll never let me back in here again. You behave. I'm not taking you to the basketball. Right, here we go. First shot. Olivier Giroud. Oh, hold on, that's a personal foul. Giroud. Oh, just off the rim. And it floats away. And that means that David Luiz can take the advantage here. Make sure your foot is behind the line. Oh, it's a little bit of Samba swagger as he elevates that ball. But again, not as accurate. In fact, not even as accurate as Giroud, who's got a second opportunity here. Oh, a little bit of... is that sort of dancing as well? Well, it didn't help with the shot making, did it? Let's see if we can get one basket before we leave here tonight.
Come on,
here we go. David Luiz to start us off.
What's currently
Hit the back ball. The current scores on the doors are 0-0.
0-0. So this is your third shot.
So far, Craig, we are pointless.
One of you got to get one at least, boys.
We will get one, I promise you. Here is Olivier Giroud once again. Look at these.
Oh!
The steely eyes belayed the technique, really.
It's currently 0-0.
I thought he was going to do a little bit better than that.
David, this is your third shot. Go on. Oh, what is going on? All right.
We'll take bets now on who gets the first point.
Let's go.
No, change the ball, change the ball.
Change the ball. Okay, switch. First substitution of the night. Sporting Ball 1 for Sporting Ball 2.
Go on, this is it. I believe in this one, Olivier.
Why have you got no shoes on?
No. Filming his feet, please.
Why has he got no shoes on?
That's all right.
Look my ankle, yeah.
Oh my God, look. That looks
Better grip.
That's okay.
Can you put those toes away? They're offensive.
They're not too bad if you compare with him.
Oh, really? Are they even worse?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Don't film it, huh?
Yes. The tension is building up here.
Oh, that's 0 out of 4. Olivier,
next point
what's
wins.
going on right now?
Seriously. There's still no baskets after 3 throws. This is the fourth from David Luiz, and he's still not managed it.
All right, this is it.
This is
the last one. This is number 5.
One each.
This is
You still haven't managed the basket.
I believe you've got this.
I'm going to be seen with NBA luminaries tonight.
It's going to go into sudden death.
And you. Here we go. The New York Knicks are watching.
Oh, he did have the last one. He has to go. He has to go. You have to go. Go on.
But you have got one more.
This is it. Olivier wins.
Now is so high. It's like the Champions League final all over again. Oh! And that is why he is a Champions League winner. We're going to end in a draw. That's fine. It was a draw.